Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 4th, 2021, and I want to give you an update on how the sweet potatoes are doing. Now you can see how large the vines here have grown, and in extreme hot weather we were watering these to keep the soil nice and moist because your root crop vegetables need nice moist soil to help them to continue to grow. And well, all your plants, most of your plants with the exception of like cactuses, need their soil to stay moist. We have been feeding this with a product called Sea Magic, which is an organic product. I'll put a link down in the description for the Sea Magic. But you can see here how much they've grown. It's a lot different than when we first put them in. You can check out that video from when we first put these in this year. They were really small plants, but you can see how much they've grown here. Now, we did have the Japanese beetle traps out, and we usually get a lot of damage on our sweet potato plants from the Japanese beetles, but the traps did a really good job this year of catching them and getting rid of them. So I just want to give you this quick video update. Now these will be harvested before a frost comes, and especially before a freeze comes, because what happens is if a frost or a freeze would hit these, it would actually go right down through the stalk and it would ruin the sweet potato tubers underneath. So that is something you want to keep in mind. We are gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so we do have to watch the weather to make sure that our sweet potato plants are going to be okay when the cold weather starts coming. Now another thing that we do with these, like when we cook some of our other vegetables, like our red beets, when we cook those off, when you're doing like your carrots, your cauliflower, your broccoli, you can even do this when you cook your pasta. If you save the water from that, and when it cools down, you can dump it on the soil of like your sweet potato plants, and they absolutely love it. So we have been using that on these. So your sweet potato plants do best in full sun, and they love the heat. They're more of a southern crop. They grow a lot of them down south, but you can grow them up north if you get them started early enough. And you know, if you feed them and take the precautions, like when it's going to be cool out, to protect them so that you know they keep growing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.